Today we're going to be making merch. Because why buy merch when you can just make your own for your favorite YouTuber? Me. So today we're going to make some O Fiesto merch. You're going to need some markers. And your clothing, whatever you want. It could be a shirt or like a hat or shoes. Today we're going to be doing a shirt because I like to wear shirts. They cover my skin very well. So first, you get your shirt. This one, I haven't had time to do very much laundry lately, so this one does smell pretty bad. But that's okay because you can't smell because you're just watching. We're not at an age now where you can pull up a video on YouTube and somebody's texting me. My neighbors want me to shut up. I don't think that's going to happen. You want to lay your shirt out very nicely so that it's flat so you can know where you're going with it. You know, if it's just wrinkled up like this, you can't do anything with it, silly. What do you expect to do with it? Lay it out. Okay, I'm going to lay it sideways. I don't even know why I have a hammer here. My little crowbar. Just lunacy. You want it out. You want to lay it out. You got to lay it out, and then you want to decide beforehand what you want on it. You know, if you're a Jake Pauler, then you're going to want to put some Jake Pauler things on it. Okay? You got to decide what it is. Okay? And you may not look as good as the other kids in the lineups at the YouTuber things, but you know, at least you'll be representing. You know, when you're on the bus, people will know what you're all about. Now I know what I'm gonna do because I know what I am. O Fiesto, and that's how you know if you see a big O and an exclamation point, you know where you know what you know it. So I'm gonna do black because I'm gonna start it out black. Because black is cool. Black is not whack. I'm gonna do an O. So it should be easier than this. We're not one of those channels that's not fun. You know, whether you're playing a video game, you're listening to things, you want to listen to your music that will not be copyright claimed because you do not want to be copyright claimed. So do not listen to music that you might get copyright claimed for. You like money? Don't get copyright claimed. I'm going to add some color to this. Okay, yeah. Some more color because we are colorful people here. Okay. Now let's take a look at what we got here. Look at that. Look at what you got there. Oh, Fiesto. Looks pretty fancy to me. I say that's a win. Don't you? Oh, whoa. Oh, okay. we almost died. How does it look? Now I'm looking cool in my new merch. And take a look at our subscriber count now. Oh, this shirt smells bad. Oh, it smells awful, I'm telling you. It smells horrible. We're still at 1 subscriber. Still saying I have one subscriber. You know, I've been taking all day, and I've been avoiding writing because I thought I was gonna have to put a whole bunch of lines up here. You people, you gotta subscribe. You gotta subscribe.